How are you A/B testing on AWS? If you're using AWS's Evidently tool, it is going away soon. So here's how I'm doing it right now using PostHog. Now you can actually host PostHog on AWS. There's a self-hosted option. But let's just see what I got here. PostHog allows you to use funnels. You define funnels. So I can see it's 77 people visited this particular page and 5 people this and 1 person made it to there. And I can see the trends from UTM source. So I can see where people are coming from here. A lot of people coming from ConvertKit. Thank you guys on the mailing list. Really appreciate it. If you're not on the mailing list, you should check it out. There's a lot more links to stuff in these posts that get removed because of the algorithm. Not important. So that's cool, but what is even cooler is the experiment. So this one right here was statistically significant, this V2 here, and that was the call to action at the very end is the H2. And I was swapping it between these 4 different variations, 5 if you count the control, of course. And the one that said, what are you waiting for, the next outage, that CTA performed significantly better. Since then, I've added 10 more and ran a different experiment. And so for some reason, this one still went down a little bit. I'm not quite sure how that happened, but you can A/B test that kind of stuff. I strongly recommend it for anybody building sales pages, and this works just fine on AWS. It's wired into NextJS, so it actually does server-side rendering. Strong recommend there. With that said, what tools, if any, are you using for AWS A/B testing? Was anybody using Evidently? But no, what tools were you using? Let me know. Cheers.